Hey guys, today we have Happy Mail, and it is from Miss Jessica Darnell, who is also the busy housewife on YouTube. I will make sure to put her channel link in my description box so you guys can check her out. Maybe go subscribe, say hello. She messaged me and said that she would like to send me some stickers because she had doubles. Y'all, my heart about stopped when I opened this box. Because she sent more than just stickers. I mean, she sent me vintage. She sent me fairies, the things that I absolutely love. So thank you so much, Jessica. I really appreciate this. Even stuff for the kiddos. They've already been wearing some of those smiley faces on their hands. These are foam pieces, like little animal foam pieces, which are so cute. So that'll be fun for the kids. I might have to make a couple embellishments with those. Look at these robots. They're adorable. Hold on, wait for it. Boom. I was like, oh my God. At that moment, my heart stopped when I saw those. So this is like a textured ribbon paper. Really pretty. It's like a really pretty yellow. So that'll be great for like spring and Easter, whatnot. Look how pretty that is. But y'all, this stuff, look at this. Amazing. So it's like tissue paper, but wired. So it's wired tissue paper. I believe it's like tissue paper. Or kind of like rice paper. But it is so gorgeous. The vintage, look at that. My mouth was literally open while I was like looking at this because I was in so much love. Like, this is the coolest thing. I've never seen this before. Jessica, if this is still around, you gotta let me know where you got it because it's cool. I mean, she not only sent me all this stuff, but shipping costs are not cheap. So, Jessica, I really appreciate the goodies and, you being kind enough to pay the shipping costs because I saw how much it was. So thank you so much. It's just really cool. So I guess you could either say like rice paper or like tissue paper type. That's how thin it is. But I love it. And then she sent me a ton of die cuts. I love fairies. I actually have one tattooed on my back. And this was very exciting. One looks like Tinkerbell right there. Look at that. I just love them. Not only can I glue those down, but what I can do is lay them on a piece of paper and then ink around it so it has that, you're getting the outline of it on paper. Then you can like cut it out, make embellishments with it, if that makes sense. Just ink over the image and then you have that image underneath when you move your die cut. And look at that. That snow globe is so cool. So many amazing things. It just kept going and going. Way more than just stickers, Miss Jessica. But thank you so much. These are so pretty. There was even some Goofies in there and Mickeys. But, oh my gosh, tons of fairies. I love that one with the moon. I love it. I like the moon and the stars. Look at that. So pretty. And I actually like that they're black because you can do like the shadow, like it's the shadow of the fairy. So nice when you want to do shadowing work. That'd be really cool. That one's so gorgeous right there. With her hair flipped up. It's kind of like, in Little Mermaid when she came out of the water. That's what it reminds me of, off the rock. And her hair. There's Mickey's head. Look at that. Little house, and she's sitting on it. Very, very cool. And that had to take you some time doing all those. I'm sure you probably had them on hand, but still, that's time and paper. Look at those pretty ladies. And tons of birdies. Some really pretty birds for spring and summer. Look at these stickers. They're so pretty. That one right there is my favorite. Look at that. Really, really pretty. So I want to show you some of the birdies because they're really pretty. Look at those. And the birds actually look realistic to me. I love them. There's a better look at the ladies, the vintage ladies. Yeah, anytime you send Happy Meal, I will make sure to do a little video and give you a shout out because I appreciate this so much. This is tissue paper and it's gorgeous. I have never seen tissue paper like this. You know, for like gifts, but it's so pretty. So that's going to be fun to decoupage with. Y'all, I love Santas, especially vintage Santas, and when I open this, I about cried. Look at that. And think about it. They're tall, but they would be so pretty used on like the cover of a journal, a Christmas journal. Definitely cover worthy, and that's probably what I will do. I got 2 sets. She gave me 2. So this is going to be fun when it's Christmas time. And here's some little images you can like cut apart, and they're all vintage, y'all. She's trying to give me a heart attack, sending me all this awesome vintage stuff. Look how cool that is. Even they got the little grandfather clock down there. Looks like some tags that she made, and I wanted to show you guys them. Oh, wait, we're going to look at these first. These are cool. So these are stickers, clear stickers. So there's mason jars and perfume bottles. How cool is that? So I can lay something down and then just stick that on top of it. Look like it's inside the bottle or the jar. So these are going to be fun. Like, look at the domes. So cool. Here's one with a butterfly. That one says, to you. Look how pretty that bottle is. I was trying to show you all the little different ones I could. There was more than that. That would have took me forever to go through them. Jessica, those are awesome. Thank you. Very cool. Here we go. Now I'm going to get the rest of it out of the box so you can get the box out of y'all's face. Here's stickers. Those are always nice to have. Looks like tags that she made, and they are so pretty. I love the shimmer on them. I love that one. That one's my favorite. Looks like a little cherub with Santa. That's what it reminds me of. Some more die cuts. Really pretty. Look at that one. I love the pink. And her. She's my favorite. Look how pretty she is. I love the shimmer and the hat. Excuse me. All kinds of awesome stuff. I love that picture of the musical instruments. There's just so much goodness. Look at that. These are awesome. I love these. I can't wait to use these. Might have to turn those into bookmarks. I don't know yet. Look at that shimmer. So pretty. Looks like a little pocket. Here's some more images. These are ladies. Very cool. It reminds me of the Secret Garden movie. That's a really pretty image. Some pretty flowers she gave me. I love flowers and bows, so thank you. Definitely turn those into picture frames. Some art pieces for a journal. Tons of stickers. These are really cool and very pretty. They're stickers. Look how cool those are. Definitely make some pretty embellishments with those. Sorry, y'all. My doggy is barking. I'm upstairs, but he's pretty loud. He has a big mouth. Okay, here's some small talk stickers. Those are always nice to have. And look, y'all. She sent me Tim Holt ones. I know those are not cheap, so thank you so much. I love his words, and yeah, thank you. Those are like kind of bubbled up. They got like a dimension to them. Very cool. There's Christmas ones. That made me happy. Can't wait to use those. Some really, really gorgeous stickers that I haven't even seen. Look at these. Look at that bird cage. These are gorgeous. Thank you so much, Jessica. I will link her channel in my description box. Please go check her out. Say hello. I mean, as you see, she's a kind person. She's very talented too. Yeah, thank you again, and I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you, Jessica. Bye.